This is the weather forecast video for Thursday, October the 27th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see some cloudiness from New England through the East Great Lakes states down into the southern plains and southern Rockies, with the storm system there producing some showers and some snowfall over the central and southern Rockies, and some cloudiness moving into the Pacific Northwest. Watch warning map from around midnight, some winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories over the southern Rockies of Colorado and New Mexico, some frost and freeze advisories over the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle. Otherwise, it's fairly quiet across the country. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days, this is through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, shows a band of about 1 inch of rain from the Texas Panhandle through Oklahoma up the Ohio and Tennessee Valley, and some heavy rain over South Florida. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a vortex over the Great Lakes states and another over West Texas with that storm system there that was producing the snow over the Rockies yesterday, producing rain over the southern plains and rain upward into the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley, while here will remain sunny. Friday, still about the same. Sunshine with highs in the 50s. After morning lows around 30 degrees either side of that. Saturday, starting off the weekend, winds begin to switch to the southwest. Temperatures begin to warm, mid-50s. Maybe a few places even touching 60 across the southwestern parts of the state. We head into Sunday. There could be a disturbance moving through that may cool the temperatures back a little bit. Best chance of rain will be over the northeastern half of the state, amounts under 1/4 inch. Monday, that system moves off. Temperatures begin to warm back again, back into the upper 50s to maybe a few low 60s with mostly sunny skies. We head off to Tuesday, the 1st of November. Southwesterly winds still going strong, about 10-15 miles per hour with highs in the upper 50s to middle 60s under sunshine. Wednesday, bit of a disturbance close by could increase the cloudiness, so partly to maybe some mostly cloudy skies with highs either side of 60 within a degree or two. A week from today, the 3rd, it looks like a zonal flow across the country, west to east, with a bit of a vortex moving into the Pacific Northwest. Whereas here, high pressure overhead, temperatures likely seasonal, with readings in the 50s to lower 60s with mostly sunny skies. We head off into Voodoo. Here's the 5th. This is Saturday the 5th. A trough with a vortex moving through New Mexico with southwesterly winds aloft. And with that could bring a storm system. We already have one storm system on this at this point exiting, with another one coming in right behind it. So November is looking like it's going to get active for a while. We head off to the 6th. That's Sunday. That low, the southern low, moves from Texas up to about South Bend, Indiana, and that could bring some cold air, and that'll be interesting. We head off to the 10th. The southern low back in New Mexico once again, and low pressure centered at about Guyman, Oklahoma, and this is that storm we saw yesterday and the last several days, and it's still there. Still producing showers and storms down there, and by the end of the forecast on the evening of the 11th, that low is now well off to our east. Cold air behind it, bringing some temperatures back down into the 20s and lower 30s. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.